Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar. The dollar index is trading at 107.80. Investors are still focused on the results of the first meeting of the U.S. Federal Reserve this year, at which the regulator left the key rate in the range of 4.25 to 4.50%. But the phrase about inflation actively moving towards the 2% target was removed from the accompanying statement. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said at a press conference that the central bank needs to see real progress in inflation or some easing in the labor market before we consider making changes. Data on the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index will be released today. The growth of the indicator may increase expectations for a longer period of keeping the rate at the current level. In such a scenario, the dollar may resume its upward momentum. Next, euro against the dollar. The pair holds positions around 1.04. Traders are analyzing the results of yesterday's meeting of the European Central Bank. As expected, the key rate was reduced to 2.90%. Which was the fifth in the cycle of monetary policy adjustments. Preliminary data on European GDP turned out to be weak, confirming the likelihood of further easing of monetary policy. Thus, the Eurozone economy showed zero dynamics in the fourth quarter, with a growth forecast of 0.1%. At the same time, Germany's GDP decreased by 0.2%. Thus, the risks of a further economic slowdown are increasing, requiring monetary authorities to take decisive steps to support it. And finally, pound against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.2430. The pound is under pressure from the prospect of monetary easing. Traders have priced in 3/4-point rate cuts by the Bank of England this year, compared with less than 2 in early January. The UK economy has stalled and inflation has eased in the past month, raising the prospect of a BOE rate cut. Economists polled by Reuters expect the BOE to cut rates to 4.50% from 4.75% next week. Given this, the pound still has some downside potential. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.